Hey there guys, it's Lieutenant Spider here to bring you once again another video. So this is my second to last video for my Warlock until I switch to my Titan. And then after the Titan is my Hunter. It goes around in a cycle. So when we left off, got level 6 and I got this armor. And I also got this auto rifle. So yeah. Usually when I get this, it's bright red instead of blue, so it's a change for me. Anyways, I'm doing Clash, just so you know. Now we're on the Cauldron map.
Work together, and you might survive.
I like how it says that. I mean, really, it's just a lie because you get revived by your ghost. Huh? Nah. Nah. I think I was supposed to. If so, then I'm honored to die first. Because I usually either... I have to die first a time, and that's the thing. And I could be using it.
You're falling behind. Gain the lead.
I don't know where else to go. I'm just gonna lay down now. It's like taking a second to lay down and then you're like, yeah. Wait. This one is up here. Something. What the hell are they? Yep. Second one. Oh my god, what the hell? I get finding one. Where the... I found you. Yeah. Now we actually have a spot on. Isn't that like sarcasm? Sarcasm is a good night song too. Yeah, I'm gonna die. I just accepted that fate. Whatever. No! You didn't go into my trap. It wasn't much of a trap. More like a butcher's company. Take time. Relax. And then go kill people. Relax and kill. What the fuck? What's up with him? Just go relax. I came so close to killing him! Come on! Oh my god, we're just gonna come out soon. It's gonna be fantastic. Because now start yelling and talking myself even more high. What? It ain't fast enough in this game. If you do so, you just gotta waste your glummer to upgrade it, and then you get a new better weapon, and you're like, fuck. Because you just wasted a ton of glummer doing nothing. Now I'm supercharged. Relax and you're dead. Hi. Son of a, I just think I'm getting over here. Yeah. Son of a bitch! I can't kill anyone! I've killed about like 6 people. Yeah. 7 people and got a couple of assists. Doing terrible. But you know, my mother is sit down, relax, and kill. Whee! Just gotta do that sometimes. I'll be choosing and shit like that. And I don't know where the hell it's going. See a cussy crap. Oh god! I thought my teammate was the enemy, and I thought the enemy was my teammate. Oh, it's the most confused I've ever been. You just stop. No! Hunters, they can go invisible, but you see them slightly. I mean, granted, when they go invisible and they use teleportation or like double jump and stuff, you get really confused. That might just be me. I don't know. When they go invisible and they teleport, I get so freaking. Oh, fuck you. What are you doing? Son of a. What did I do to you? Son of a bitch. Reaver in Dark Heart keeps killing me. I swear, if this was the Super Smash Bros. From the Wii, my character's face would be all over the kills. Oh, son of a bitch! Couldn't jump fast enough. I hate how Warlocks and Titans glide. I hate it so much. I mean, granted, you can go straight forward sometimes, but seriously. You know what, people? This. Just relax and kill. That's all you need to do. Relax and kill. Oh.